Many people spend their entire budget on cameras, lenses, and gimbals and just casually pick a cheap microphone to make do. But I must tell you, the microphone is the most cost-effective and quickest way to enhance video quality. In this episode, I will cover the 3 most popular and worthwhile wireless microphones from DJI, which are the DJI Mic Mini, DJI Mic Mini 2, and DJI Mic 3. In this video, there will be no unnecessary talk, only real user experience, helping you choose the most suitable one according to your budget, equipment, and scenario. Before the formal comparison, I'll first give a simple explanation that even complete beginners can understand. The wireless microphones we are equipped with now generally consist of 2 core parts, a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter is the small device clipped onto you responsible for capturing sound, while the receiver is the small device plugged into your phone or camera responsible for receiving sound. Hello everyone, I'm Dachun. Welcome to this video. First, the DJI Mic Mini is the entry-level cornerstone of DJI microphones with a very clear positioning. Lightweight, low-cost, meeting basic audio recording needs. It is suitable for beginners in social media, students with very limited budgets, and those who only use a phone to shoot vlogs for daily recording.
The weather in Changsha is really strange. You can experience all 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter in a single day.
The transmitter weighs only 10 grams, and when clipped onto clothing, it's almost unnoticeable, making long shoots completely burden-free. It supports 2 levels of active noise reduction, automatic limiting, and anti-distortion, and can connect to phones and cameras. It also supports direct connection to the Osmo ecosystem, and can be used with the Pocket 3 and Action series.
Today, the equipment I'm wearing is the Mic Mini from DJI and our DJI Action 5 Pro. Let's look forward to how its sound performance will be today.
The price is very friendly, with the mobile version 2-piece set costing just over 300 yuan, making it DJI's most affordable wireless microphone. In one sentence, it's purely entry level, with the budget kept to a minimum, focusing only on basic audio recording, then choose the DJI Mic Mini. The main point is here, today's protagonist, the DJI Mic Mini 2, is not just a minor update of the Mini, but a comprehensive upgrade that addresses all shortcomings, making it the most suitable wireless microphone for ordinary people in the year 2026. It is suitable for mobile vloggers, short video creators, and live streaming sales hosts. Its biggest highlight is the magnetic interchangeable front cover, with standard colors of obsidian black and cloud white, plus 8 additional colorful magnetic front covers that can be swapped in one sequence. The magnetic attachment feels very crisp, making the microphone not just a tool, but also a fashion item that can complement outfits and express attitude. The Mini 2 offers 2 charging case versions, the all-in-one version with 1-to-2 and the mobile version with 1-to-1. The all-in-one version with 1-to-2 can hold 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, a windproof cover, magnets, a back clip, and adapter cables, with all accessories stored in the charging case. The mobile version with 1 transmitter and 1 receiver is designed for single-person vlogs, making it smaller and more portable, and the price is also cheaper. It also comes with a charging storage case. The Mic Mini 2 is equipped with 3 sound presets, allowing different vocal tones to find the most suitable sound. Now we are using a regular sound preset, so everyone can feel what my speaking voice is like. No one supports me, I reach lightly, I tread the snow to the mountain peak myself.
Alright, now we've switched to a full tone preset. Everyone, listen again to how my speaking voice sounds.
No one supports me, yet I reach lightly, I tread through snow to the mountain peak. Now let's switch to the bright mode and feel it again. No one supports me, yet I reach lightly, I tread through snow to the mountain peak. With 2 levels of active noise cancellation, you can get clean and clear vocals both indoors and outdoors, and it also has an automatic limiter to prevent distortion. In scenarios like sports, shouting, or close range recording, it automatically lowers the volume to prevent distortion. Okay, let's test the automatic explosion-proof sound function. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beginners don't need to repeatedly test the volume, just start recording with 1 click. Additionally, there's a full series mix of Mic Mini 2, which can mix Mic Mini with Mic Mini 2 with a maximum transmission distance of 400 meters. The mobile receiver can be mixed with Mic 2, Mic 3, Mini, and Mini 2 with a maximum transmission distance of 300 meters. If you have an old microphone, you can reuse it directly without buying a new set, which is very convenient. As for battery life, the Mic Mini 2 transmitter lasts for 11.5 hours on a single charge, and the charging case provides up to 48 hours of total battery life, meeting the needs of a full day of shooting without worrying about power. Finally, there's DJI's Osmo audio ecosystem direct connection, which is the most enjoyable feature for DJI users. No receiver is needed. The transmitter can directly connect to devices like Osmo Pocket 4, Pocket 3, Action, Lala, and 360. With 1 click, you get 48 kHz, 24-bit native level audio quality compared to the 16 kHz quality of regular Bluetooth connections. The improvement is very noticeable. With fewer devices, a simpler process, and better audio quality. In one sentence, if you want to do self-media and are a DJI action camera user and you want aesthetic, sound quality, and applicability, then go straight for the DJI Mic Mini 2. The last one is the DJI Mic 3, DJI's professional flagship wireless microphone. It is not aimed at ordinary beginners, but at users with professional needs, team creation, and commercial projects. It is suitable for multi-person interviews, multi-person appearances, documentary filming, commercial advertisements, and professional live broadcasts, requiring strong post-production capabilities. Multi-channel independent recording supports up to 4 transmitters, achieving 4-channel independent audio capture. Built-in 32GB of storage, supports 24-bit and 32-bit floating-point dual-file internal recording. Even if the live volume is too loud or too low, it can be easily adjusted in post-production. Professional interaction and adjustment, a 1.1-inch touchscreen, timecode function, ultra-fast audio and video alignment during multi-camera editing, doubling efficiency. Here, Dakan recommends professional teams and commercial projects. For large-scale productions, choose DJI Mic 3. Okay, that's it for the video. I've covered the positioning, functions, scenarios, prices, and target users of these 3 DJI wireless microphones. In 2026, for 90% of ordinary creators, vloggers, and DJI action camera users, the most balanced without shortcomings is the DJI Mic Mini 2. At the 100 yuan price point, it maximizes appearance, sound quality, applicability, ecosystem, compatibility, and battery life. Dakan still quite recommends this microphone. Here's a little secret. A 4-channel internal recording mic in the 1,000 yuan range is about to be released.